welcome back to my channel once again. This is Dr. Shaikh Yasin. I'm a certified independent director, award-winning business coach, principal consultant for real estate, international motivation speaker, corporate trainer, and podcaster as well. Today, I'm here in Dubai to visit IREX exhibition, International Real Estate Immigration Exhibition in Dubai, which is happening in Anantara Hotel, Business Bay, Dubai. So today with me, uh,
Fernandez.
Dr. Fernandez from USA. So he's going to tell us what is the procedure for immigration to US. So Dr. Fernandez, tell us something about US first.
Absolutely. Well, US is a great company. I mean, a great country. I don't think I need to sell the US to anybody, but we have several investment programs
Okay.
available to investors who want to move to the US, including the EB5 Direct and
Okay.
Regional Center programs.
Okay. What are the advantages that if you want to apply for the US visa?
Right.
So what is the step-by-step procedures for particularly for Indian people?
So for Indian people, have available the EB5 Direct program or the Regional Center, which
Okay.
gives you the permanent residency.
Okay.
Minimum investment is $800,000.
How much minimum?
$800,000.
$800,000.
That's right.
Okay. What is that EB5, Fernandez?
EB5 stands for Employment-Based Category 5, and is basically the green card,
Green
card by investment.
So, what are the opportunities are available for particularly students who wanted to go to US for the further studies?
For students, if they have the $800,000 investment, they can actually change from a student visa to the green card.
Green card.
Mhm.
Okay. And especially, which city you prefer for Indian to settle down in US?
Any city is fine. Usually, but personally, I prefer the south. They're better for climate, better for investments, better for regulations and taxation.
Okay.
So Atlanta, Miami, Texas, all that's good.
So, what is your purpose to visit today IREX exhibition?
I wanted to meet people like you, meet potential investors that are looking to come to the US, or
Okay.
investors that want to bring in their
Okay.
businesses to the US.
Okay. So, like if you can see, there are a lot of Indians are staying in Dubai,
Yeah.
and each and everyone have their own dreams. Some people they want to go to Australia, some people they want to go to Canada, some people they want to go to other countries, and some people they want to settle down in Dubai.
Yeah.
And some people they want to travel to US.
Yeah.
So tell me one good thing why people they have to choose US.
Well, US has a very transparent and democratic system, so they can open up a business there and make it work as long as they hard work on it.
Okay.
I think there is a very good educational system for their kids if they want to go to college. We have the best universities in the world over there,
Okay.
and they have the one of the most advanced economic mobility. So the more you work,
Most
with your
economic
business, mobility.
mobility you can
So,
say.
yeah, so you can raise your wealth.
What are the other opportunities that we can see in US?
The other what?
Opportunities.
Opportunities. Well, real estate is a big opportunity in the south,
Okay.
particularly in cities like Orlando, for instance, or Atlanta. And then the manufacturing, because the new economy that we have, we're enhancing the manufacturing sector a lot. So manufacturing.
How you
is
can
big.
see the US economy down the line next 5 years?
I think it's gonna. We're going through a period of uncertainty and transition with the new administration, but I think the next 5 to 10 years really is going to take off. Absolutely.
So if I want to choose which city I need to choose in US, again the same question I'm asking you.
Yeah.
Which city I need to choose in US
I would say,
for particularly Indian people?
I think Atlanta is a great city.
Atlanta.
Yes.
Basically, you're from Atlanta, right?
I am in Atlanta.
So
that
if
is
people
correct.
wanted to reach to you to get your services, where and how they can reach?
They can reach to my website, www.greengateplans. That's greengateplans.com.
.com. And what's your personal number?
404
Okay, 404
602
602
0334.
0334.
That's right.
So you can reach
Dr. Fernandez.
Mr. Fernandez on this number, and you can visit their website also to get more information about US immigration. And definitely this is a kind of a golden opportunity for students who wanted to travel to US for their further education, people who wanted to go to US to start their businesses, entrepreneurs, traders, manufacturers. There are a lot of huge opportunities are available there in US. Tell me one thing, Mr. Fernandez, again. Why we need to go to US again?
You have the most robust economy
Okay.
with potential growth, transparency. If you want to start your own business, you're gonna be able to make it happen.
What kind of health and education benefits US government they are providing for immigrants?
Uh, that's a hard question. There's
Yeah.
not a whole lot of benefits for immigration as long as you have the money. If you have the money, you have the ability to
Okay.
you have the ability to get employed there,
Okay.
one of the best companies in the world,
Okay.
and you're gonna be able to prosper.
So do you see there are a lot of good things will happen in future in US for Indian people so that they can travel to US?
I think manufacturing sector is gonna be a good one. Education is gonna be a good one as well. But
Okay.
I mean, there's no specific area right now that I would be able to recommend.
One good piece of advice for Indian people if they plan to travel to US.
If they're planning to travel to the U.S., make sure they have the right type of visa,
Okay.
and make sure they have legal counsel and professional support to make
Okay.
sure they come to the U.S. the right way.
There are a lot of cheatings are happening in India, especially most of the people they are saying that they are going to provide the services to travel to US or they have immigration services. But what is the exact process that our people need to follow there in our country to get US immigration?
I mean, there are many. That's a really loaded question. There are many different processes depending on the
Right.
type of visa.
Hmm.
You really need to get advice from an immigration attorney first, because
Okay.
depending on the situation, it's going to
Okay.
be different.
So finally, what I want to ask you, Mr. Fernandez, okay, let's say if we travel to US, what is the best thing that we can find in US first for our new immigrants?
What do you mean? The
Best thing in new immigrants in US, like as soon as we landed in US, what we can see good colleges, yeah, good accommodation and good opportunity for the businesses, or we settle down or do the registration for the company.
I think forming your own company is probably the easiest thing that you can do in the U.S. You can do that within a few days, a very few dollars,
Okay.
compared to other countries.
And what is the process from sitting in one place in Atlanta, wherein we can reach the other cities in US?
Atlanta has one of the biggest airport in the world, so you can
Biggest
actually,
airport. Okay.
yeah, you can fly
How's
anywhere.
the infrastructure built over there in Atlanta, especially if I want to go to DC, Washington,
It's
Los
really strong.
Angeles, and other
Remember, you have
places?
the World Cup coming into Atlanta this
Okay.
coming year, the soccer World Cup. So it's great.
So yeah, very good information that provided by Fernandez, and thank you very much, Mr. Fernandez, once again from my channel.